What it do, YouTube? Another day, another dollar? Woo, I'm smiling, but hey, I just got done from crying. My little S10, y'all know I'll be using it as a daily. As a matter of fact, I like y'all comments. Y'all do want to see a video on it. I'ma hook it up, but the thing is, I can't get out of it because it is my daily right now. Because gas prices shooting up, I put like 30 bucks every 2 weeks in this mug. Well, anyways, let me show y'all what happened yesterday. My baby, I had to put the stockies on it. Man, I went to go buy a transmission jack from my favorite store, Harbor Freight, so we could get down on the transmission. And on the way back, these damn Houston potholes got me. Damn, look at the carnage. Oh my God. I'm supposed to make this truck look better and I'm messing up. Jeez. But I ain't even gonna lie to you, I do need to do the clutch on it. So I guess it's the perfect time to put a little bit of work into it before we make it look good. You know what I'm saying? But man, messed up my rallies. I think I could bend it back. I don't know. The thing is, 15-inch tires are kind of expensive. So I don't know if I should swap rims or put my I don't like the way the OGs look. Man, and I don't know about buying tires right now. I really wanted to put some BFGs on it, but they kind of expensive. Whew, well, let me tell you a little bit how it happened. I think I should sue Chick-fil-A. Look at the carnage. That's exactly how I left it yesterday. My ass was trying to eat and didn't see the pothole. Goddamn Chick-fil-A. I couldn't wait. They so damn good. So should I sue Chick-fil-A for my tires? Oh my God, my ass is dumb. But golly, boy, it looked like I took I could fist my fucking tire. That's crazy. Shit, I was looking around the shop. We got some big dookies. These kind of big, but they got white leather. I don't know. I'm gonna try them on one of the rims. These might be too big for my little S10. But you know what? Let me try them. I'm trying to be cheap about it right now. Ho ass nook. What y'all think about them big meats? Them hoes humongous. They kind of look good though. The only bad thing is I only got 2 of them. I'll put all 4 of that boy and it won't look bad. So we might be rolling staggered. I might have a little smaller that's way small. That look ridiculous. You know what? Let me put one of the rallies up here so we can get a better look. Yes, sir, baby. Ghetto, baby. You know how we do it. I'm finna bend it back, heat it up, beat it a little bit. Good as new. I ain't no professional rim fixer, but I'm also broke, so we're gonna get this hoe working. There go that hoe. It's kind of fugly, but look, all you gotta do is just voila. Boom, you don't even see it. And worst case, these are cheap. I'll just buy some new beauty rings. But shit, I'm gonna roll with that. Just knock this little dent off. Now that hoe ain't gonna balance worth the shit. I don't really take it on the freeway anyways too much. Hey, while we getting these tires on this S10, let me insert these clips here. I actually got a big package for the SS. Oh, we just got a special delivery from the UPS, man. That's a big ass package, man. And it's for this bad boy here. I guess the car gods saw me working on that boy, had this hoe delivered. I'll open it up here in a few. Damn, boy did a good job of wrapping this hoe. Whew, I'm kind of glad he did. Well, hopefully if it's not damaged. Here we go, y'all. Y'all see that? Sister, hi. We was missing the header panel. For sure. I was gonna buy the grill new if I really put this hoe together, but hey, it's better than having no grill and then like the buckets and all that. Really, it was the header panel. But it came with the buckets and all that. I thought it was a decent price. So I went ahead and copped it. I'm not really trying to put that much money in this car right now because it's really for sale. But it's a crucial part. Also, so I could bolt it down right and align the front clip right when we get that motor running. I mean, it's alright, decent shape. I got a few dings and stuff. You know, but hey, it is what it is when you buy online. The grill probably can be polished. It ain't the cleanest, but it'll do for right now. Probably if I put it all together, eventually I'll just buy a new one. They sell it new. They sell this new, but the header panel is the most important thing I was missing. Plus the hood latch. I didn't have a hood latch. So now I can, like I said, once it gets running, I can line it all in the front. It's gonna be hard to match that candy, but at least I got it. Cool, cool. Well, there you go. Once it starts, it starts. So woo, that parts lid is gonna start running a hole in my pocket, but we gotta get it running and driving. Oh man, it actually turned out to be alright. The back ones look beefy. So I only got one BFG. Yeah, they not matching brands. I don't care. They still both got letters. I like how it looked. Now I only had one. Well, no, I had two BFGs in the back. This is actually the back tire, but we messed one up, obviously. So in the end, I'm gonna just order one BFG because them motherfuckers are expensive. And you know what? Obviously, I do want to customize this truck. Let's talk about that. Okay, guys, since people have been asking about the S10, and plus it needs to lay down so I can do some mechanical issues. I got to do the clutch. I did put a new AC compressor last year, and obviously, man, parts ain't what they used to be. It took a shit, so I got to warranty that out. Summer's coming up, so I want to take care of all the mechanical issues, but I'm gonna start to customizing it now. I want y'all suggestions. I love mini trucks, and there's so many styles we can go with it. I'm not going the early 90s or mid 90s big poking Dayton style with the bed lifts and all that. I like that style, but we're not going with that. These are my top two choices. Let me know what y'all think, or if y'all got suggestions, let me know. Either we're gonna build like a early 2000s mini truck with some baby billets and bagged out sitting on the ground, or we're gonna build like a pro touring truck, you know, with some badass suspension, but like just lowered, some tubular arms in the front. They sell all that for the S10s. But if we go for like that, we would have to put it like a V8 swap, put a big motor, or possibly, you know what I've always wanted to do, a V6 out a Grand National with the turbo, kind of try to do the Typhoon Cyclone deal. But we won't make a clone, but we'll have a V6 turbo or a V8 or a LS. Let me know what y'all think, man. Comment down below what style we should have customized the S10. What type of mini trucks do y'all like? Do y'all like them early 90s, lowrider-esque, or the late 90s with the graphics? But really, I kind of want to go more like a early 2000s, like I said. They usually had like the solid color with the baby billets, but them hoes was like on the ground. We'll keep the four-banger in that case. Or pro touring. I do want it like a little fast. You know, it's a small truck. We'll put some bucket seats in it, some Ricks. Ooh, some Recaros. Hey, I've been wanting to put Recaros on something. It'll look good on that. But comment down below. And once again, appreciate y'all watching. Catch me on the next one.